I get asked this question quite a bit. Can I listen to subliminals while I'm sleeping? And the answer is yes, 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 yes. You absolutely want to. But any fool can know a wise man actually understands. And now, unfortunately, I would say it's safe to say maybe 75, even, a little bit more percent of humanity doesn't understand. They just know. And I want to build more leaders. I want to build more people that understand. They don't just know, quote unquote, Albert Einstein, right? Our friend, or my friend Albert Einstein. Now, when you listen to subliminals, your subconscious mind, what you want is to get your subconscious mind in a very relaxed state of being. Because the more relaxed your subconscious mind is, the more receptive it is to the affirmation. The less resistance, the more, surrendering your subconscious mind is doing to the affirmations or the subliminal. So your goal is to get as relaxed as possible. This is why people recommend, meditating, or I recommend to meditate and do yoga on a daily basis to be able to breathe and like Wim Hof, practice Wim Hof breathing and, meditating and yoga, to where when you listen to the subliminals, your subconscious mind is more receptive, more, lubricated. Excuse my language, but that's the best example, one of the better, more relatable examples I believe we all have. It's more receptive. Open the doors, right? Or, pull out the door to where, you have the ability to really manifest those results. If you want to boost your results, you want, right, relaxation. Now, when you are asleep, oh my God, is your subconscious mind just not just wide open or pulled out? You're living in your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is, 100% enhanced to a whole nother dimension and level, to where by Jolly G, those subliminals are going to be, you're going to be dreaming about your subliminals. And I'm not joking. This is how the subconscious mind, the systems and the operations of your subconscious mind works. Because, I was running YouTube ads for a subliminal booster a long time ago, and that guy, wasn't really thinking that, or didn't know at the time, that people fall asleep while they listen to YouTube. So the subliminal booster was playing, and people were saying they had the craziest dreams of their life with that subliminal booster ad playing right in their ears while they were sleeping. Now, don't worry, you're not going to be listening to the booster. You're going to be listening to your subliminal. And the best results that have been reported for, the hundreds and hundreds of physical subliminals we have, we're about to hit 500 subliminals on our journey to 1,000 subliminals, right? The best results were from people that were listening while they were asleep, right? They just let it loop for 8 hours, and we all understand our bodies are in a hyperactive state of recovery and regeneration while you are asleep, right? Therefore, it's even, right, not only is your subconscious mind receptive, but, our bodies, which is a molecular structure vibrating, onto our subconscious mind's thoughts or vibrations, right? Our body is just a reflection of our subconscious mind. That's why it's your body's regenerating and recovering at such a rapid rate while you're asleep. So this is the best time by Jolly G to listen to a subliminal. And this is now you understand why, right? You don't just know, right? You need to understand this, my friends. You all have a beautiful day. As I said, I do my best to make these entertaining and relatable. You all have a beautiful day.